Hello and welcome to the Harriet Muller Art Channel, giving you the techniques to produce amazing artwork. Now today I've had a special request from Year 2 at St. Peter's School, so we're going to be drawing a really easy meerkat. So get yourself a pencil, paper and a pen. So towards the top of the page, start off with a little dot, and this is going to be the meerkat's nose. We're then going to do the rest of the head, which is like an oval shape. So let's do the top of the head together. And then stop there. Let's do the bottom. And stop there. Let's add in the eye. So that's just a little circle shape like this. You can colour it in, but leave a tiny little space in white so it looks like it's got the reflection of the light. It makes it appear more alive. Now meerkats look like they've got little masks on, so we're going to draw another oval shape around the eye to show the darker areas. Now, did you know this was to help them see in the blinding sun? So we're going to add in the little mouth and then the ear. Let's carry on with the body. So let's follow this line all the way down. Comes inwards a little bit. Then it wiggles outwards. Inwards a tiny bit. And then back out again. Till you get to there. About halfway along this line, we're going to be adding in the little front legs. So starting just here in the centre of your page. A little leg like this. Up and round. Now we're going to do the front. So it's got a big puffed out chest. Comes down. And then the hind legs kind of tucked in underneath it. And then just a line across. We're going to be adding in the foot. So they're quite long. So add in a foot like this. Let's add in the paw, so just some lines like that. And then coming out from the bottom is its tail. So give it a nice long tail. If you want to go one step further, we can draw some markings on its back. This is to help it hide itself in the desert, to camouflage itself. And one more. And there you have your finished meerkat. You've done an amazing job.